Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the antimalarials. Myself Sheetal Gandhi. I am from Dr. Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy Malkapur. So what are antimalarial drugs? You might have known about the malaria. This malaria is one of the infection that is caused because of the bite of mosquito. Generally it is going to cause because the four species of protozoa of Plasmodium, and that species are what? Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, and Plasmodium malariae and Plasmodium ovale. These four species are going to cause the malaria, and to cure that malaria we are going to use the antimalarial drugs. What are the symptoms of malaria? Generally malaria is going to characterize by fever, anemia, enlargement of spleen and liver, sweating and body pains. These are some common symptoms of malaria. The fever is going to recover every third or fourth day of infection. That malaria is called as the tertian malaria or quarantine malaria. After infection of malarial parasites, they are going to reproduce in the liver for few days, and the symptoms are going to arise when the parasites leave the liver and enter the bloodstream. In the case of malaria caused by Plasmodium falciparum, symptoms usually appear about 9 to 14 days after the mosquito bites. Symptoms includes waves of fever, chills, joint pain and vomiting. In the bloodstream, the parasites infect red blood cells. They reproduce until the red blood cells explode. These are going to cause the additional symptoms of anemia, blood clots, and an enlarged spleen. The antimalarial drugs are what? Generally, these agents we are used in the treatment of malaria, or you can also call them as which prevent the growth of malarial parasites. That drugs we called as the antimalarial drugs. Now these antimalarial drugs are classified into various groups. In that first class is what you are quinine and its salts. Now example of that is what? Quinine, quinine sulfate, that are the example of it. The next important class is what you are 4-aminoquinolines, and the example of that is what you are chloroquine and amidoquine. Chloroquine is the widely used drug of choice in the treatment of malaria. Then next class is what our 8-aminoquinolines, and the example of that class is what you are primaquine. Next class is 4 next class is our 9-aminoacridines, and the example of that class is mepacrine. Next class of antimalarial is bigonides, and the example of that is what you are progonyl hydrochloride, and the diaminopyrimidine, and the example of that class is pyrimethamine and trimethoprim. This trimethoprim you can also use in the treatment of malaria. We have already discussed that compound in sulfonamides also. Now the chloroquine is the more commonly used drug of choice in the treatment of malaria. Pyrimethamine we can also use in combination with sulfonamides. Thank you.